Greetings. We're here on the shore of Francis Lake in the Eagle Cap Wilderness. I thought we'd take a moment to show you how we're making water in camp with a little gear hack we came up with. And previously we were using the Lifestraw Family 1.0, which is a big plastic bucket. Really heavy, big, giant, heavy, giant filter with a big bulb on it and everything. Just too much, especially for a solo backpacker like yours truly. And previously we were using just simply a platypus water bag similar to this one and a Lifestraw, because the end of the Lifestraw actually fit perfectly, watertight seal, into the mouth of the water bag. So we could both carry water and make water at will pretty much anywhere, and it didn't take up any space. Literally just wrap it flat when it drains out empty, of course. You wrap it flat around the Lifestraw and you literally stick it in your pocket and away you go. That bag did only last 10 years. They don't last forever. So the replacement we found was this Hoser. It's actually a hydration bladder, but we got rid of the hydration hose with the mouthpiece because we don't carry a backpack except when we're backpacking, and then we don't have room for it. Normally we just carry a waist pack system. And so we went ahead and combined our Sawyer that we weren't very happy with a replacement sturdy hose and the platypus here, and now it's a gravity system that folds up and rolls up into a tiny little package, almost pretty much exactly as small as the Lifestraw. You do have to have the plunger syringe for back flushing this, whereas the Lifestraw you simply blow into it to back flush it. But this does last a lot longer. They say what, 100,000 gallons versus the 250 for the Lifestraw, but combined with the two, if this breaks, we have the Lifestraw. If the Lifestraw breaks, we have the Sawyer. And the ability to not just carry water, but make water pretty much at will. And you can draw through this like a Lifestraw if you want to. But the only drawback that we've never liked about the Sawyer is the flow. And it's because of its 0.1 micron filter. It's very, very fine. So as you can see, it's a trickle. The Lifestraw goes about twice as fast. And we've never gotten sick with a Lifestraw, nor have we ever gotten sick with a Sawyer. And so far this is doing really, really well, keeping us hydrated here in camp. Just for one person, 3 liters at a time, maybe 3 or 4 trips over to the lake here. And oh gosh, it's 20 feet away, so it's no big deal whatsoever. And it's definitely been really nice to not have to worry about being able to carry the water filter system, or worrying about having the ability to afford or carry redundancy. Oh, what are we going to do if the filter breaks? Well, we got 2 filters. And of course, always carry your water bottle made of metal and a metal pot to cook in, because you can boil the water. Can't boil in that plastic water bottle. You'll have to sit there and heat it for 30 minutes right next to the fire and try not to melt it, yada, yada, yada. So definitely a simple metal water bottle, little water bag, a couple of inexpensive filters, and away you go. You can keep yourself hydrated pretty much at will. And it's a pretty handy little hack we came up with, and we're very glad to be able to share it with you. And we're very glad that you chose to join us here this windy day on the shore of Francis Lake in the Eagle Cap Wilderness.